Hey there, fitness warriors. Have you ever wondered what's actually happening to your muscles while you're pushing through those squats, bench presses, or even just a brisk run? What's the science behind that burn, the pump, or the soreness you feel the next day? Stick around, because today, we're peeling back the layers to uncover the fascinating truth about what really happens to your muscles during a workout. And trust me, you'll never look at your workouts the same way again. The unexpected reason behind the burn. You felt the burning sensation in your muscles when you're pushing through the last few reps. But did you know that the burn isn't caused by lactic acid, as many people believe? Nope. It's actually due to hydrogen ions building up in your muscles as your body breaks down glucose for energy. Here's the kicker: this burn isn't a bad thing. It's your body screaming, "I'm adapting to make you stronger." The more you push through that discomfort, the more your muscles learn to handle stress. It's like teaching your muscles to fight smarter, not harder. The secret of micro tears and muscle growth. Now let's talk about what really happens when you lift weights or perform resistance exercises. Every time you lift, run, or even stretch beyond your comfort zone, you're causing microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. Wait, tearing your muscles? Isn't that bad? Not at all. These tiny tears are crucial for muscle growth. Your body kicks into repair mode, using protein and nutrients to rebuild the fibers even stronger than before. This process, called hypertrophy, is the secret sauce behind muscle growth. But here's a tip: without enough protein, rest, and hydration, your body can't repair those fibers effectively. So if you're skipping meals or cutting sleep, you're sabotaging your gains. What really causes muscle soreness? Muscle soreness, the universal reminder of a killer workout. But what causes it? Contrary to popular belief, it's not lactic acid. Again, poor lactic acid gets blamed for everything. It's actually due to delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. DOMS occurs when your muscles experience new stress, like trying a heavier weight or a different exercise. This stress creates inflammation and stimulates your body's repair systems. Think of it as your muscles saying, "Hey, thanks for the challenge. Let's get better at this." The science of the pump. Let's talk about the pump, the satisfying swelling of your muscles during a workout. Ever wondered what's really going on? The pump happens when blood rushes to your working muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. But it's not just about looks. The pump improves nutrient delivery, kickstarting recovery while you're still working out. Fun fact: the pump also stretches the cells around your muscle fibers, which scientists believe may contribute to long-term muscle growth. So next time you're flexing in the mirror, know that your body's doing some serious work behind the scenes. Why rest periods are essential. Ever feel guilty for taking breaks during a workout? Don't be. Those rest periods are just as important as the workout itself. Here's why: during exercise, your muscles accumulate fatigue from energy depletion and waste buildup. Rest periods give your body a chance to clear waste and replenish energy stores. But here's the key: rest too little, and you risk burnout. Rest too much, and your muscles cool down, reducing performance. The sweet spot? Usually 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the intensity of your exercise. The role of hormones in muscle building. Did you know that every time you work out, your body releases a cocktail of hormones designed to boost your performance and recovery? Take testosterone, for example. It's crucial for muscle growth and repair. Or growth hormone, which helps your body burn fat and build lean muscle. Even cortisol, the so-called stress hormone, plays a role by breaking down glycogen for energy during your workout. The takeaway? Your body is a finely tuned machine, and every rep triggers a hormonal symphony to help you get stronger. How your muscles adapt over time. Finally, let's talk about adaptation. When you first start working out, your muscles are like, "What is this madness?" They're not used to the stress, so they respond by getting stronger, more efficient, and more resilient. This process is called progressive overload, and it's the key to long-term muscle growth. By gradually increasing the intensity, volume, or frequency of your workouts, you're teaching your muscles to keep up with the demands. But here's the twist: your muscles can also hit a plateau if you stick to the same routine for too long. So, keep challenging yourself with new exercises, heavier weights, or different workout styles. And there you have it, what really happens to your muscles during a workout. From microscopic tears to hormonal surges, every rep, every drop of sweat, and every moment of effort is part of a bigger story of growth and transformation. So the next time you hit the gym or go for a run, remember you're not just working out. You're upgrading your body, one step at a time. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button. Share it with your workout buddies. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the science of fitness and health. Let's keep growing stronger together.